सो जैसे ही आप ये एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म सबमिट करोगे आपको कंपनी की तरफ से कंफर्मेशन मेल आ जाएगा. एज हियर यू कैन सी, हाय अजय, थैंक यू फॉर अप्लाइंग टू GitLab. सो हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू जॉब फॉर फ्रेशर्स. आई एम अजय. So I'm back with another work from home job opportunity, and that is coming from GitLab. So GitLab is similar to the GitHub, and here the best thing is you will be getting many benefits. The first one is this is going to be completely work from home. And the second thing is here you will be getting the work from home setup, that is free Wi-Fi plus laptop. And other than that, here you will also get the health insurance. Okay, so इस वीडियो को बिल्कुल भी skip मत करना. Watch it till the end to understand who can apply, how to apply, and what will be the eligibility criteria. So let's begin with today's job update. So GitLab is hiring for the post of associate support engineer, and the salary here you can expect in between 3 to 8 LPA. So both fresher and experienced candidate can easily apply for this application, and the job location is going to be completely work from home. So let's see the job role and responsibilities. As an associate support engineer, your responsibilities will be to resolve the customer's issue via email or video conferencing. Other than that, you will also be responsible for collaborate with product development, infrastructure, customer success, sales team to build the new features and fix bugs. Okay, so let's see who can apply for this application. So any graduate from any stream can easily apply for this application, and the skill requirement is you should have a basic knowledge of Linux, and you should be familiar with the scripting languages like Ruby or Bash, and apart from this you should have a basic understanding of Git. So let's see how you can apply for this application. So I will put the link in the description. From there you guys can easily apply. So once you click on the link given in the description, you will be redirected to our official page, that is jobforfreshers.co.in. okay, so here you will get all the details related to the company name, eligibility criteria, skills requirement, selection process, and here you will get how to apply for GitHub. Just scroll down and click here to apply. And for daily job update, you guys can easily join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group from here. And if you are particularly looking for a work from home job, so you can join our work from home WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's fill out this application form. Now just here click here to apply. So you will be redirected to the official page. Now here just click on apply now. So the application form will appear. Now here you need to fill out your first name, last name, email ID, your phone number, here location. Here just upload your resume, and here in cover letter just upload your cover letter. And if you don't know how to make a cover letter, so we have already provided you the sample cover letter on our Telegram channel. From there you guys can easily download it, and once you download it, and make sure to change it accordingly, and once you're done with that, just upload it here. So now here you will get some questions, so you can answer it as per convenient. And once you're done with that, here in the voluntary identification just select your gender. This one you can leave as it is, not a issue. Around disability status, no, I don't have a disability. And at last just click on submit application. Okay, so your application will get successfully submitted, and within an hour you will receive the confirmation mail from the company. Thank you for applying to the GitLab. Okay, so now their recruitment team will review your resume or the application. If they found that your resume is aligned with the job requirement, so they will definitely mail you further. So make sure to add these skills whichever required by the company. Like here they need the scripting language, Linux, or basic understanding of Git. So if you mention this skill set in your resume, then the chances of your resume to get shortlisted will be higher. And अगर आपने अभी तक TCS MBA, TCS VPS और TCS Free NQT के लिए अप्लाई नहीं किया है, तो जल्दी से जाओ और अप्लाई कर लो, बिकॉज जो एप्लीकेशन की लास्ट डेट है वो 25th अप्रैल है. सो अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. द लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एज वेल एज इन द आई बटन. From there you guys can easily access. And if you find any difficulties while filling out this application form, or if you had any other question, do let me know in the comment section. And for more such videos, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.